Breaking news, guys, do not buy paid network right now because they've been hacked. Do not buy paid network right now. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Invest for More and welcome back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch until the end of this video because I'm gonna give you so much information about paid network, what's happened today about their smart contract, how they've been hacked, and everybody lost so much money. And also like this video and share with your friends. So yes guys, this is the situation for today. Paid network has been hacked, and I started my daily routine, and at one point a lot of notification from Telegram, and also I've seen some videos on YouTube talking about paid network has been hacked. So I looked into their Telegram announcements, and that's the truth. I was looking on their price, I was looking on my wallet, and I've seen there is no there is no money on paid network. So yes, I lost my money on paid network. That's true. They say they're gonna return the money, they're gonna return the tokens once the new smart contract will be online. Okay, so make sure you do not buy right now any paid network because you're gonna send the money to the hacker. Okay, so make sure you do not buy paid network right now. For me, Kyle Chassé, the CEO of Paid Network Token, and their team, it's very trustable team. Kyle Chassé, it's been in crypto space for a long time, so I don't think in my opinion they are doing this kind of stuff. And now what I like about their team and Kyle Chassé, they keep in touch with every member on their Telegram group, on their announcement group, and see exactly what's happened with their smart contract paid network. I know you guys, you love when you 10x or 100x your investment on one single coin, but now you have to be strong. So do not let your emotion to control you at this moment. You have to be very strong and stay up, because in my opinion it's gonna be fine at the end. And I say this because they just started their project. It's really useful in real life, and Kyle Chassé, it's for a long time in crypto space, and also they were so close to launch some big project in on their blockchain. Now I want to go to their Telegram group and show you the announcements from the last days and also today, and let's see what's happening. Here we are, guys, on their Telegram group. They have 16,767 members, and in the last days they had a lot of partnership, which means a very strong project. They recently had a partnership with DAO Maker, and DAO Maker, it's a platform that recreate venture capital for the masses. Another partnership with Evolution Finance, which Evolution Finance is a self-sustainable locked liquidity protocol and lending or borrowing platform. And I think this partnership with Evolution Finance is very strong for them. Another partnership before they've been hacked was with Polka Cover, which Polka Cover is the first decentralized insurance marketplace for DeFi and crypto ecosystem. If you didn't know, DeFi, it's decentralized finance. Another partnership is with e-money. They are helping people worldwide to have easy access to the digital currencies while bringing blockchain with the traditional financial system. And here we are, guys, with their announcements, how they've been hacked. This is the first announcement. Dear community, we will be sharing an update shortly on the recent development. Please do not buy or sell, do not transact. In the meantime, we would like to request you to please stand by us and support us. I really support them and stand with them until like a very long time, because I believe in their project. We are investigating the issue. We pulled liquidity, are creating new smart contract, and will be restoring everyone's original balances to before the hack. Those with stake, launch pool, and uniform paid tokens will have their tokens to be sent to them manually. We will share more updates soon. We urge our community to not buy the dip, as you will be exposed to the same negative impacts, and we may likely have to reissue our smart contract. So we urge you to please wait for the next update. We also advise you to pull all your liquidity of Uniswap. Rest assured, Kyle and the whole team is actively investigating. we removed all our liquidity. We'll take a snapshot right before the first dump happened and we'll be restoring balances to that amount. Those with staked, launch pool and Unifarm paid tokens will have their tokens and send them manually. So these are their announcements. Make sure you follow them on Twitter and join their Telegram group and keep in touch with every single update about their new smart contract and how you can receive your tokens back. Now we have two kind of people. First kind of people, they think Kyle Chasse, he get all the money out and he doesn't give a shit about our investments. Or another kind of people who really believe in their team, their announcements, and they understand they've been hacked. First of all, why Kyle Chasse will take the money out and just leave with our investments? He got some good shit going on with their launchpad IDO, so why the heck he's gonna leave us right now? Because their launchpad IDO, it's already there and they have like projects schedule on the list, you know. So why the heck he's gonna leave right now? In my opinion, he's not gonna leave us like that. It's just a usual hack in crypto space. It's a usual for projects to be hacked. So be strong. Do not let your emotions to control you at this time. Maybe you invest a lot of money, maybe you invest some money, so do not let your emotion to control you, because it's gonna be fine. At the end you're gonna receive the tokens back. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share with this video with your friends, and also like this video because it's gonna help me to reach more people and give my information to more people, my opportunities to a very large audience. Okay, so make sure you like this video and stay close, because I'm gonna keep in touch with you every week with the new opportunities, new announcements, and have a great weekend.